Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Avis. Welcome back to an episode. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at something pretty cool. We're going to take a look at all of the Flamingo themed items that we have received on the UGC catalog, and we're doing this simply because as of recently, we have received one of Flamingo's merch items on Roblox, which is in my opinion really cool, and I did end up spending my last Robux for that particular item, which I think is pretty cool. Was a good idea in my opinion and a good investment, and I would say let's just start the video. I think it's going to be fairly interesting. Alright guys, there we go. Background music is running, of course, as well. We shouldn't forget about that. Let's head to the avatar shop and let's take a look at all of the Flamingo themed items that we have received so far. And I think it's a few, actually. I think it's a few. So let's search for Flamingo and we should be able to find one of the accessories right there. We can find Flamingo Wings, which is fairly interesting. I'm not sure if they're related to Flamingo. I don't think so. The Flamingo Beak, the Flamingo Beanie, and of course, we should not forget about Felipe, which is also one of the items for Flamingo made by Daisoft in this case. So we have right here the Flamingo, pretty adorable looking, 72,000 favorites, which is absolutely crazy. Some Flamingo themed wings by Maple Stick, that's amazing. The Flamingo Beak, which only has 6,000 favorites, the Flamingo Beanie, which is also amazing, and then of course Felipe with over 91,000 favorites, which is just absolutely crazy. So overall, I gotta say we have received a lot of Flamingo themed items. The most recent one was the Flamingo Beanie right here in addition. This one is pretty cool, based on the totally cool real life beanie from Albert's merch drop we designed, which is absolutely amazing in my opinion, and I'm really happy this one ended up on the UGC catalog because yeah, I actually did end up buying this beanie as well because I'm a huge fan of Albert. I actually also bought some of the merch, actually only one thing because I'm trying to save money right now. So yeah, I bought one piece of the merch. I bought a shirt, which is pretty cool. The split dye one, I think it's called. Very nice one. I cannot wait for it to arrive. We have right here Flamingo, 50 Robux, pretty amazing. We have the Flamingo Wings, absolutely astonishing looking. I have no idea if these are related, probably not, but they are nice. Then we have the Flamingo Beak right here. This one looks cool as well, 50 Robux. We have then of course the beanie, 50 Robux as well, and the Felipe hat, which is also 50 Robux. Sadly, it's not loading. Roblox loading issues. Anyway, so these are all the Flamingo themed items, and overall I just want to make a quick follow-up video for all the Flamingo fans. You can now buy the beanie from the merch drop, and it looks really nice. It has this little flamingo on the front, pretty coal looking. Very nice hat overall, and if you want to support him, I'm pretty sure Albert gets a portion of the Robux as well, so I think it will be great, and it already has 10,000 favorites, so if you want to buy it, links in the description down below if I didn't forget about it, hopefully, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.